I'm going to be showing you how to use Strava for running. So to use Strava for running, the first thing you need to do is record a run via the app or a connected GPS device by tapping the record button. So as you can see, the record button is right next to maps and groups. It's right there in the middle. What you need to do is just tap there and it'll record your activity. And after you tap on record, the first thing you need to do is tap on run, which is right over here. It says run right there. After you tap on run, you should see the option to start right over here. After you tap on start, it'll track your route, your pace and distance. And after your run, just save the activity to add details and share it with your friends. So you can also do manually. You can just add a run manually, sync activities from a fitness tracker, or create a custom route beforehand. It's completely up to you, and in this way you can successfully use Strava for running. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.